Welcome to RandoTechno. Today we're unboxing the X670E carbon Wi-Fi from MSI. Basically, this board has all the features to set you up for the future. The board supports Wi-Fi 6E and this cable, well, this is the antenna that you connect to the motherboard. Always good to have a backup internet plan besides the LAN cable. Some screws, I think they could be for the SSD, the NVMe. RGB extension cable. Some SATA cables, SATA, and another RGB extension, just a different type. Some more screws. It's great that they've supplied a USB with all the drivers and software, which should be included with every motherboard purchase. Some stickers. Generally I never use these, but always keep them. And a promotional material. The Mobo is feature packed with the latest tech. It's got PCI Express 5 of the GPU, 2 NVMe slots that are PCI Express 5, whereas the other 2 are PCI Express 4. It also has DDR5 RAM and up to 7,800 mega threads on it. It's got 2.5 gig LAN, which is great, USB-C and USB-A, of course. It's pretty much got it all for a few years ahead at least. I'm not gonna peel this as I'm saving it for the build. Let me just put that back on there. Very nice. I'm happy. Very nice board. Looks wise.